If you've ever Googled how to make passive income online, chances are you've heard of Google AdSense. But let me ask you, how many people actually understand how it works in 2025? Today, I'm giving you the complete ASI guide. 2. Mastering AdSense, turning clicks into cash, and avoiding the traps that most beginners fall into. And no, you don't need a million views, and you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right roadmap. So let's build that together. Don't work for money. Make your content work for you. Adapted from Robert Kiyosaki. Step 1. Understand what Google AdSense actually is. AdSense is Google's advertising platform that pays you for showing ads on your content, whether that's on a blog, YouTube, or niche website. Step 2. Know if you're eligible. You will need original content, decent traffic, and to follow AdSense policies. No copied content, shady backlinks, or click fraud. Step 3. Sign up the right way. Go to https://www.google.com/adsense. Use a Gmail you actively monitor and fill out all info carefully. No shortcuts. Step 4. Niche selection is everything. Tech and health niches pay better than general lifestyle or memes. Think high CPC cost per click equals higher AdSense revenue. Step 5. Content is king, but context is queen. Your articles or videos need to solve a problem and keep users engaged. Boring equals bounced traffic equals low earnings. Step 6. Build trust with Google. Use HTTPs, fast loading pages, clean UI, and avoid spammy pop-ups. These build credibility and better ad targeting. Step 7. Choose the right ad placements. Spam. Use heat map tools like Hotjar or Microsoft Clarity to find high visibility zones. Step 8. Understand the ad auction. Google shows ads based on what advertisers are bidding on. Better niche equals better competition equals better payout for you. Step 9. Avoid ad block triggers. Too many ads, autoplay videos, or sketchy design equals user installs. Ad block equals you lose revenue. Step 10. Monitor with Google Analytics plus AdSense reports. Check your CTR, RPM, and CPC regularly. That's how you know what's working and what's not. Step 11. Traffic. Source matters. Organic search SEO is golden. Social traffic is nice but inconsistent. By traffic, big risk equals possible ban. Step 12. Don't fall for click fraud. Never click your own ads or pay others to do it. Google tracks everything. Violations equals instant ban. Step 13. Use responsive ads. They adapt to screen sizes, which boosts engagement. Airings on mobile devices. Step 14. Stay updated with AdSense policy emails. Google updates often. Ignoring them can cost you your account. Step 15. Experiment with auto ads versus manual. Auto ads equals less control, more ease. Manual equals more optimized. Test both. Step 16. Don't rely on AdSense alone. Diversify with affiliate marketing, email lists, or digital products. Step 17. Scaling equals more content plus better SEO. More pages, videos, plus better optimization equals more ad impressions equals more earnings. Step 18. Use tools like Ezoic or Mediavine. Post threshold once you grow. Ezoic or Mediavine offer better RPMs than default AdSense, but you'll need decent traffic first. Step 19. Protect your site from bots. Use Cloudflare or CAPTCHA to block fake traffic and reduce invalid clicks. Step 20. Patience is profitable. Takes 3 to 6 months for most AdSense strategies to gain momentum. Stick with it, improve weekly, and reinvest your time. AdSense isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the most legit ways to build recurring income online in 2025. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, comment with any questions, and subscribe to Side Hustle Safari for more smart monetization tips just like this.